Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your recent screenshots on your Xbox Series X. So, just on the home screen here, press the Xbox button on your controller and open up the side menu. Then press R1 and tab on over to where it says Captures and Shares. And we can go on down to Recent Captures right here and select this. So, we're going to see two recent captures on here. We can select it. And it should open up like this, and we can look at it even further by pressing X or A. Now we can back out, and if we go back to this, we can go to See All on the bottom, Show All. Now you might not see your captures under here, your screenshots or your video recordings, because you don't have Upload to Xbox Network enabled on your console. So what you could do is just switch on over to On This Xbox. And then you can see your screenshots under here. So they might be hidden to you. Just switch it over to On This Console. And then you can manually upload to Xbox Network. So let's do that now. And it's uploading. So I don't have that on by default. You may have turned it off, and that is why you can't see it. But you can see on the right side here, it's uploading to Xbox Network right now. And we can view that on our phone or whatever we want to go ahead and do. Only thing that's annoying about that, sometimes it shares it to your activity feed and everyone else can comment on it and like it. So that's why I have it turned off. So it says automatic uploads to Xbox Network, turned off, OneDrive right here. Also, it could help save you some network too. If you're lagging or something in video games, well, you're uploading something. That could be the reason why it's not working as well. But if you have slow internet, you probably want to go and turn that off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.